Hello everyone, this is Mel again from Coins and Stamps to Watch. So what we're doing today will be an unboxing. I bought a few collectibles recently and didn't have a chance to open it up until now because I just got back from holiday. So what I bought are coins and stamps, but I don't actually know which are these ones because there's a few more that uh, I bought that haven't arrived yet. But I'm sure it will be an interesting one. And yeah, we'll see what they are. Okay. Oh, Whiskers Cat. Okay, what's this one? Okay, this is pennies. Oh, I think I broke it. Never mind. I do have a few more of this coin protector. Do have some more. 36, 37 uncirculated pennies. Oh yes, these are uncirculated UK pennies, I think. Oh, it's already ruined, but yeah, never mind. Here we go. So wow, nice and shiny uncirculated 1 penny. See, nice and shiny. It is uncirculated 1937 UK 1 penny. It's lovely portrait of the Britannia, and you can see the lighthouse on the side there. It's a lighthouse and a very detailed shield with the Union Jack, and of course the face of Britannia. Very nice, uncirculated 1937 UK penny. Also have a patina, nice one. What's this one? Oh, oh, wow! Another lovely detailed 1936 UK 1 penny. This is King George the Fifth. The other one is King George the Sixth. Nice patina too, and it's yes, uncirculated. Nice one. I think my lighting is too bright now, and we can see the wow, lovely portrait of the Britannia. Here we go. This one, you can see the difference. The other one have a lighthouse on the left side, but the 1936 one with King George doesn't have any. So they both look lovely. Very good. It's uncirculated too. This one, see this one. I think I need to open it. The other one, it's like it's easy to open. This one, it's not. So at times I bought my collections to the collectors that I know. I mean, I bought to them lots of times already. So yeah, This one is like see the. It's too bad that it's already broken, but it is like a centenary of the Royal New Zealand Foundation for the Blind. These dots spell hope, and we can see lovely Lord of the Rings stamps. 40 cents, 90 cents, and this one is a New Zealand one. Nice team. So what's this one? Okay, so yes, this is William Carlson. Trade me. This is you're from New Zealand and you like stamps. I know this is her trade. This is William's trade me name. Sock trade me, and yep, here we go. He's a Pilatelis. Here we go. And they have lots of awesome stamps. So this one is I think it is stapled or sealed here. I hope I didn't break it. I hope. Oh, don't want to bend it. It's these are nice stamps. I bought a few stamps, and this is one of them. So I just don't know what this one is till you see it. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, yes. I know this one. This one is an old stamp. It is from, I don't know about the tongs, because I thought it's a coin that I'll be opening up mostly. But yeah, this one is a stamp, and this is an old stamp from Philippines. How do I open this one up? Here we go. This is a very old stamp. It's a revenue stamp, and it is from the Philippines. It is from 1890. So 1890, 10 de peso, 10 cents, 10 céntimos de peso. Sí, recibos y cuentas Filipinas. And it's from 1890. Revenue stamp from the Philippines. Nice one, eh? See it have what we call like it's like a mark here. I think it's from the gum. You can see it's gums intact. I think it's uncirculated or not hinged, not used. All right, put it here for now. We go through this other one. Any interesting stamp here first? NC government life insurance stamps, 10 cents, 50 cents, stamp there. See this one. I think this stamp, this one is from Sharich. It's also a seller from Trade Me that I bought mostly coins, and I bought a lot of coins to her from her Trade Me store. There you go. This one. Here we go. Yes. No. Oh, yep. This is an old. This is a very old coin, and it is from the Papal States in Italy, or It's from Rome, and its value is one soldo from 1867. And we can see here, this is the portrait of King. No, not King. Pope Pius the Ninth. You see, Pius the Ninth, Font Max. I think it's like a date, 21st, 1867. One soldo. Stato Pontifico, one soldo. One soldo. It's a 5 cent equivalent. I think R is a mint mark or like a Rome mint mark. Like a Papal State, Stato Pontifico, Pontificio from 1867. Nice addition. Very nice addition to a collection. Papal States coin. Now I got this coin for a certain reason. I'm starting to collect these Papal States coins or medals or relics from especially from Pope Pius IX, because I just want to show you this one. I also have this. You see, it's a very nice relic from the era of Pope Pius IX. It's a big bronze uh, plaque of Point Pope Pius IX, and you can see here and it's dated from Roma, 1875. You can see the date here. So I have this relic. So I thought I'd start to collect some of the coins from his era as well. Especially, yeah, Pope Pius IX. You can see Pius IX, Pontifex, or I think it means a Pope or Ricordo. It's like a Ricordo. I think it's memory. I had to do a lot of research on so many things that that I've been collecting really. So and it's a Jubilee, uh, 20 or 30th Jubilee. I think it's probably his 30th year in of being a pope. It's Roma, 1875. It's a nice bronze artifact or like a plaque. And I don't know who made this one, because I don't see any mint mark or any mark that whoever made this bronze uh, plaque. What we can see here is Pope Blessed Pius IX, head of the Catholic Church from 1846 to 1878, and that's it. I don't see any mint mark or distinguishable markings that could say who made this, and it is definitely very old. So nice one, eh? So yeah, we got the stamp, the coin, and two uncirculated UK pennies. And of course, I've shown you this lovely old relic from 1875 of Pope Pius IX. Yeah. Oh, that's all we have for today. I do hope you like and subscribe my channel and click on the notification settings to see some more of my videos, coins or stamps alike, and any other collectibles that I have, like this one. I will uh, I will show it to you. And yeah, if you know anything about these stamps, coins, or artifacts, or uh, these coins, just put it on the comment section below. So thank you very much. I do hope you all have a very good day and stay safe. Thanks.